What's up everybody, this is Mike and today I'm really excited to bring you this video because we have a new product that has just been announced by DJI. It's the new Osmo Pocket. Well, pretty much everyone knew about this product already because of the countless leaks we had in the past couple of weeks. But anyway, it's already official now. We have it and I just ordered mine. Link is going to be in the description. Go ahead and check it out. So first things first, what is the Osmo Pocket? Well, it's a candy bar sized pocket camera that is going to replace, or at least is going to try to replace, your GoPro camera. It's an action camera, it's a pocket camera that you will be able to take with you no matter where you go. It's very, very tiny, it looks great. Not so sure about the quality as of right now because I need to test it first, but so far from what I've seen it looks really, really good. But of course I will have to test that and check it out myself when I get my unit. One of the most important things you need to know about the Osmo Pocket is that it uses a 3-axis mechanical gimbal. This is different from the digital image stabilization that we can see in our smartphones or even in the GoPro camera. I really find it funny how DJI is throwing some shade on GoPro and maybe even on the iPhone when showing the difference between the mechanical gimbal and the digital image stabilization on their website. When it comes to video, many people were hoping that we're going to see a 1-inch sensor such as the one on the Mavic 2 Pro on the Osmo Pocket. Unfortunately, that's not the way it's going to be. We have a 1/2.3-inch sensor on the Osmo Pocket, which is capable of filming in 4K 60 frames per second at 100 megabits per second, but also in Full HD in 120 frames per second for slow-mo footage. The battery life of this product is going to be just over 2 hours. DJI states 140 minutes, but also from what I've seen, one of the most interesting features about the Osmo Pocket is the fact that you can use so many different accessories for this unit. It's not even funny. By using the universal port, which you can see on the front of the device, and it's also USB-C or Lightning, you can use different accessories to make your filming experience much better. And there is a huge selection of accessories to choose from, starting from a charging station, a wireless module, quick release base, 3.5mm adapter for connecting an external microphone, extension rod, or even an underwater casing for filming under the water. You can also use ND filters if you want to be more professional with the Osmo Pocket. And you can do so by using the brand new DJI MIMO app, which is going to be compatible with the Osmo. We're not going to use the DJI Go as before. We are going to switch to DJI MIMO, which offers manual controls and many different features that you can use to make your filming experience much better. Just like the Osmo Mobile 2, with the new app you will be able to use features such as active track or motion lapse, hyperlapse, different types of time lapses, and it's just nice to have a single device that has this camera which you can use to just film whatever you want. And it's so tiny, it's just under 120 grams. It fits in your pocket, that's why they named it like this. And I'm really excited to see it in action, really excited to test it out myself. One thing that I'm not really happy about is that the website states that the shipping starts in 15 to 20 working days, which is quite a lot of time. Fortunately though, this has been the case for many other DJI products once they are released, and the shipping time is actually a lot less than that. So hopefully we can get it before Christmas. I really hope I get mine as soon as possible so I can do many videos on that. One thing that I almost forgot to mention, and I think many people are actually quite interested in, is the price. The price in the US is $349 and it's 359 euros in Europe, which unfortunately does not include an SD card and also does not include any of those extra accessories. Those should be bought separately. So like I said in the beginning, DJI is definitely trying to compete with GoPro and their Hero 7 camera. I'm sure they will be very happy to take some of the market share of GoPro, and I don't really know if that's going to happen, but I guess we'll see how people are going to use their Osmo Pocket devices. Personally, I think just because of their name, DJI is going to attract a lot of new buyers, and it's still unknown whether they are going to enjoy using the Osmo Pocket on a regular basis or not. So is it the GoPro killer? I really can't say as of right now, but it seems very interesting, and with this huge selection of additional accessories, I think they are on the right path. As far as pricing, I'm not really happy about the price. I think they should have tried to lower the price a bit more, so when you get those extra accessories, it's going to be a bit cheaper than getting a GoPro. As of right now, GoPro seems a bit more attractive to me personally, but still I'm going to give it a try and see how well it's going to work. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this quick little video that I made for the DJI Osmo Pocket. Let me know in the comment section below if you are excited about this new product from DJI. It's really interesting to see a new product, and especially one with such a different form factor. Like I said, this is a candy bar sized pocket camera, so it's interesting for me to see how well it's going to work on this brand new form factor, and how people are going to react to it and how they are going to use it. With that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one, and I'll catch you in my next video. Ciao!